Chop, contestants are ready. Magnus, are you ready, lovey? Fabulous. And action.
Yes, welcome back after the break. And if you've only just joined us, this is the second round of Book Mastermind, a quiz with a difference, where other contestants can buzz in to answer the questions. You've joined us at a crucial time in the competition when we hear which books the contestants have chosen to answer their questions. First contestant, please. First contestant, please. Name?
Charlotte Church.
Charlotte, you are currently in fourth position. Please tell me what your chosen study book is.
Celebrating Welsh Rugby by Ellen Meek. Page 150.
Charlotte, you need to answer as many questions as possible on Celebrating Welsh Rugby by Ellen Meek. Pages 1 to 15. Your time starts now. How long have we been playing rugby in Wales?
Well, my gal's been playing a while now, off and on like with injuries. And he changed his hair several times too. I love it the way it is. Dear? Over 100 years.
Correct. What do chapel people call the game of rugby?
Dunno. But did you know that if you take the G out of rugby, it makes rugby? High roofs, and kisses, babes, mwah, 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 mwah. The devil's game is what chapel people used to call the game.
Correct. What year was the Welsh Rugby Union established?
1881.
Correct. Who won the first Triple Crown in 1893?
I know this one. I was swapping with Gav last night. Wales.
Correct. Who said the words? I've started, so I'll finish.
You did!
No. Who said the words? I knew I could kick it. I've been kicking them all week.
My Gavin. During the England-Wales match, when Wales won 11-9, Wales went on to win in the 2005 Grand Slam under the coach Mike Redden.
Correct. Thank you, Charlotte. At the end of that round, you scored 2 points. Next contestant, please. Name?
Max Boyce. Augie, augie, augie!
Max, you are currently in third position. Please tell me what your chosen study book is.
Celebrating Welsh Rugby by Ellen Meek. Not all of it, mine, just pages 16 to 33.
Your time starts now. How do you know that there were around 40,000 supporters at Murrayfield for the Wales game against Scotland in 2005?
I was there.
How many minors have played for Wales?
Between 1886 and 2000, there have been about 126 minors. I was also a minor. It was out!
What is the best score the Wales has had so far?
Japan 0, Wales 98.
Aso, Yugoshi, and he can speak in Japanese.
Thank you, Max. Thank you, Max. At the end of that round, you scored 3 points. Next contestant, please. Name?
Jonesy. Oh, sorry, you want my full name. Carwyn Ieuan Gareth Stephen Dwayne Jones.
Jonesy. You are currently in second position. Please tell me what your chosen study book is.
Celebrating Welsh Rugby by Ellen Meek. Pages 32 to 50. Page 33 tells you about the Llanelli Scarlet.
Your time starts now. Can you tell me how many rugby regions there are in Wales?
Llanelli Scarlet, Gwent Dragons, Cardiff Blues. There's one more.
I know. Don't forget my gaps, Steve, the Ospreys.
And yes, Swansea's Ospreys.
Correct. Who said, sorry, when were the regions of Wales created?
Dunno. But Stradey Park is the home of the Region of United Scarlets team.
Yes, when? 2003.
Correct. Who said a captain should not ask anything of anybody that he would not be willing to do himself?
Hang on now, I know this one.
Yes, I know this one.
Ray Gravel.
Can you name, I've started so I'll finish, can you name 5 people who have coached Wales?
Gareth Jenkins, as the Nessie man. Hang on now, I haven't finished yet. Sit back down. And Carwyn James, another Llanelli man. Although he wasn't the head coach. Great man. Did I tell you he's from Llanelli?
Mike Ruddock, John Dawes, Clive Rowlands, Graham Henry and Gareth Jenkins.
Once again, when correct. When were the regions of Wales created? At the end of that round, you scored 2 points. Next contestant, please. Name, when you were currently in first position, please tell me what your chosen study book is.
Celebrating Welsh Rugby by Ellen.
The whole book.
Your time starts now. What is the name of Wales's international playing field?
The Millennium Stadium.
What was the name of Max Boyce's first record?
Live at Sherwood Rugby Club in 1973.
Correct. When did women start playing rugby?
Women!
In the 1970s and in 1983, the Women's Rugby Union was established in Wales and England.
Correct. How long was the longest penalty kick ever at the Arms Park and who kicked it?
Paul Thorburn kicked it and it was 70 yards and 8 inches. 64 metres.
Who holds the record for scoring the most points for Wales?
Jenkins. Neil Jenkins. 1,049.
Why did you? I've started, so I'll finish. Why did you choose this book as your study book?
Celebrating Welsh Rugby by Ellen Meek is a factual. It's comprehensive and it's colourful and it tells you what the special appeal makes rugby so important to Wales. There are 3 of the books in this Festival Fun series. Yeah! Should read them all.
Thank you, Gwen. Diolch yn fawr, and congratulations to our winner, whose specialist book was Celebrating Welsh Rugby by Ellen Meek.
Available at your local library. Read it!
So, until next week,
Keep
reading!